hope you all are doing great today. Today I have brought another kitchen hack edition, and this video is for those who love grocery shoppings. So this video will be helpful for anyone who wants to know and who wants to learn that how you can store and organize grocery shopping bags properly. I would say everybody has their own way of organizing their stuff, but I'll share with you my two ways that how do I organize my grocery bags and which one is one of my favorite. So I'll share with you two easy methods. So let's start our video tutorial. The first thing you need to do is folding each plastic bag into half. The first method is using a plastic container with a lid. So here I'm using disinfectant wipes container, and I have already washed it and dried it. If you don't have this kind of a container with you, you can use any cylindrical shaped container. You can also use Pringles chips container, or you can also use any can that has a plastic lid on its top and that is not sharp enough from the top. Otherwise, you can also use any disposable plastic container. You can slit or you can cut its lid from the center the way I have shown you in the picture. First, place one plastic bag on the table. Make sure the handle side of the plastic bag facing towards you. Now start folding it. Make sure there is no air, or squeeze out all the air from the plastic bag. Now take another plastic bag and place over the end of the first plastic bag this way that they are overlapping each other, and this way you are folding them. Now take the third one and place over the end of the second one, and then again fold it. Squeeze out all the air from the plastic bags, please. Keep folding until all the plastic bags are finished. Now take this roll of plastic bags and put it in your cylindrical container and cover it. I would definitely say this is the most smartest way to organize all your reusable grocery bags. The second method I'm using here for storing plastic bags is using an empty tissue box. For this method, I'm folding my plastic bags into half and then again folding them into another half. For this method, take one plastic bag and fold it roughly. It doesn't matter whether it is folded nicely, tightly, or loosely. It doesn't matter. Just place it into an empty tissue box. Hold both of the handles and loop the second bag through the first one. Then tuck both of them together into the box, leaving the handles up. Repeat previous steps. Loop the third bag through the second, then tuck both of them together into the box. so on. Repeat as necessary. This is an ultimate trick for storing those plastic bags. To make my easy and portable plastic bags container more nicer and beautiful, I'm just wrapping it with the gift paper so it will look more presentable. For this, we just need a school glue or any white glue and any wrapping paper of your choice. I have folded my wrapping paper into half to get a crease. This crease will help me in making frills. I'm giving creases on my wrapping paper to give a frill look. Now again, I'm folding 1/3 of the wrapping paper to get a nice crease. Now wrap it around your container with the help of glue. Apply glue over your container. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please give your feedback in the comment box. Also share this video in your friend circle and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care. Until next video.